How to become a Canva creator. So let's get right into it. First off, we'd want to Google Canva Creator. And you should be clicking this one right here, all the way up at the top. And let's click Become a Creator. Now, there's 3 different creator you can be. You can be a template creator, an elements creator, or an education resource creator. Each have its own process and qualifications. I'll show you all the qualifications. So for example, let's go for templates. And in here, you'll have to share your portfolio, a website or a storefront showcasing your design. And you'll need to also share a URL of a 1 to 2 minute video telling us a bit about yourself. And then you'll need to select how you learned about the Canva Creators program. And then please provide further details and then your country of residence as well. After you filled all of these out, you can press apply and you'll be applied to the Canva Creator program, but there's no guarantee that you'll be accepted. Next, let's try to do an elements creator. Register interest. And here you'll have a couple fields to fill out. Your name, your last name, your email, your country, preferred language, what kind of elements you'd like to contribute to the Canva library. Maybe it can be photos, graphics, music, audio. And are you an education specialist interested in creating educational resources and elements? After you filled all of this out, you can press submit and then you'll be applied as well to this one too. After that, let's do the last one, education resources. Let's sign up. It's a little bit similar to the one before, but there's a lot more options here because you're applying to be an education specialist. So it's like you're a teacher. So there's a lot here. How many years, blah, 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 blah. And then here as well, you need to share a video. What does being an education creator mean to you? It's a lot more, but after you've selected all of these, you can press submit to become a Canva creator. And that is how you become a Canva creator from all these subjects. It's as easy as that.